Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The challenge that got born from Wuhan city of China is mounting huge amount of pressure on the globe. Its cruelty is seen in every nook and corner of the world. People are dying, people are suffering, and poor people are its victims the most. Nowadays, it is better for us to remain inside our homes, do concentrate on self studies. If you find time, you must find time for recitation of Quranic verses too. Dear students, the government is devising a policy to conduct the exams of all students online. So it is better for you to opt online and offline mode of teaching us and watch these videos on your Android phone so that your valuable time may not get wasted and you will finally be facilitated by these videos or online classes. And today it is class 11th subject political science. Topic under discussion is Election Commissioner of India, a very important topic in the political science of class 11th. Article 324 of Indian Constitution provides for the Election Commissioner of India, Office of Election Commissioner of India. It means there should be an autonomous body or constitutional body that will conduct all types of elections in India so that there would be fair and free elections in all the times when there will be the turn of elections. Thus, Election Commission of India is a constitutional, autonomous, independent body who conducts the elections of all in India, whether it's election of president, it is election of vice president, it is election of Lok Sabha, it is election of state assemblies, even it is election of the local bodies, elections that is local bodies elections, whether they are municipal corporations or panchayats. Dear students, till 19 till 89 there was one man, there was only a single man who was considered the election commissioner. In 1989 amendment was made in it and two other election commissioners were added in the office of election commissioner of India. And finally in 1989 once again it was made one member commission. When Congress came in power in 1991, once again it was made three-member commission. commission. Now at present there is Chief Election Commissioner of India and two other election commissioners. But question arises here, what is his duty? First of all, are to conduct free and fair elections in India, whether they are the elections of parliament, Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, president election, vice president election, state assembly, all types of elections are conducted by Election Commissioner of India. He prepares the voter list, he supervises, the election commissioner supervises the all types of elections, he issues notices for the commencement of elections, he scrutinizes the nomination and other things related to candidate who is contesting an election. All the government machinery during the elections lies in the custody of Election Commissioner of India. He issues symbols to the independent candidates as well as the parties who got who gets who get recognition in the office of Election Commissioner of India. He is responsible for free and fair elections in India. At the end of elections, counting is done in his by the Election Commissioner of India, and he in the end declares the result. Dear students, once again I am repeating the things for you. Election Commissioner of India is an independent body and constitutional body. Article 324 of the Indian Constitution says that there is an office of Election Commissioner of India, which is an independent body and autonomous body who conducts all types of elections in India, whether it is election of president, vice president, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state assemblies, even local body elections. Till 1989, there was one member election commissioner. Once again in 89, it was made in 1989. Amendment was made, so there were three. It was made three-member election commissioner, three-member commissioner. Later on, in 1991, when Congress came into the power, there were inserted three commissioners, one chief election commissioner and the rest two election commissioners. But what are the functions of Election Commissioner of India? He conducts all types of elections in India. After census which takes place after 10 years, he goes for the delimitation and he sets up the constitutions. He supervises all types of elections. He allots symbol to the independent candidates. He gives registration, recognition to the political parties. He he scrutinizes the nomination papers, and he also enlists the citizens who have attained the voting age, and finally the results are declared by the Election Commissioner of India when counting is over. All ballot boxes or all types of machines where opinion of people get stored lies in the custody of Election Commissioner of India, and before elections there is a code of conduct and all the government machinery works under the Election Commission of India. Thanks. Be balanced inside your homes.